We've spent billions trying to wire the world for safety. But in 2026, the silicon shield is starting to look more like a glass house. Today, we are looking at why our high-tech perimeters are failing, and why the ultimate security system isn't built in a lab, but grown in the dirt. The fragility of the silicon shield. Our modern security hardware is currently fighting a losing battle against the elements. Environmental volatility. 2026 has seen record-breaking heat waves and moisture spikes. Infrared grids are ghosting due to thermal blooming, and smart sensors are losing calibration in extreme weather. Signal chaos. Between 6G saturation and increasing solar flare activity, wireless security feeds are more glitchy than ever. The maintenance trap. Electric barriers are high-maintenance divas. If a transformer blows or a wire corrodes from acid rain, your fortress is just a very expensive pile of scrap metal. The reality. Most modern hardware has a functional lifespan of barely 5 years before environmental decay or planned obsolescence renders it junk. The anatomy of an impenetrable Bio-Fortress. Enter Euphorbia Antiquorum. It doesn't need a firmware update, and it doesn't care about a power outage. Self-assembling assets. Unlike a wall that starts decaying the day you build it, this plant grows denser and more effective every year. Lignified armor. The cellular structure of an aged Euphorbia stem is heavily lignified. Attempting to cut through it with manual tools is like trying to saw through a tire filled with wet concrete. The dual threat. It's not just the spines. If you breach the skin, the plant releases a caustic latex resin. This sticky, milky sap causes intense skin irritation and temporary blindness, a chemical deterrent that never runs out of ammo. Vedic horticulture meets botanical engineering. We aren't just planting hedges, we are reviving Vedic land management. Ancient texts detailed specific, mandala, planting patterns to ensure no gap was large enough for a predator or a person to slip through. Strategic spacing. By using traditional staggered row methods, the root systems interlock, creating a physical anchor that no vehicle can easily ram through. Growth accelerants. Modern soil science breakthroughs, like mycorrhizal fungi inoculants, allow these living walls to reach maturity in nearly half the time it took our ancestors. The self-repairing advantage. Imagine if your fence fixed itself after a break-in. Biological healing. When a Euphorbia branch is snapped, the latex dries rapidly, sealing the wound against pathogens while the plant redirects nutrients to thicken the surrounding armor. Zero-cost maintenance. Redefining sustainable property protection. The future of security is an active landscape. We are moving away from imposing tech onto the land and instead integrating security into the ecosystem. The transition steps. Survey. Map your perimeters, weak points, where tech usually fails. Inoculate. Prep the soil with modern bio-boosters. Plant. Set your Euphorbia or local spindent species in Vedic interlocking patterns. Recycle. Use your old failing wire fences as temporary supports for the growing biowall until it becomes self-supporting. In 10 years, your neighbors will be replacing their third generation of smart cameras. Meanwhile, your Bio-Fortress will be taller, thicker, and deadlier to intruders, all without consuming a single watt of electricity. The shield of the future isn't silicon. It's green.